With the blessings of God, the most merciful, this is Amir Sultan, QHSC Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 295. Before I proceed to chapter number 295, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 295 is about issuance of documents related to the SOPs and other in an appropriate way. In an ISO system, in other appropriate systems which are moving or running all over the world, there is a proper system of issuance of document, receiving of documents, and all those matters which are related to the document control. For the issuance of documents, the most important things are that whenever they need to be done, it need to be done in an appropriate way. If we don't do it in an appropriate way, then things can be complicated and we can lose the control of the tracking of the documents whenever they are required again. For instance, for the SOPs in the ISO systems, there is a system of issuance of document. Most of the SOPs, like for example the my company which makes the SOPs, we have the first page inclusive of information about the serial number, document name, issuance date and receiving of that document. So in that the details about, for example, in an SOP of hierarchy of SOP of communication, for example, we distribute the SOP of relevant hierarchy or communication to the respective department. For example, hierarchy SOP is issued to the operations department for having their update about the operations. Doing the hierarchy assessment, risk assessment. So what we will do, we will put a serial number 1, then we will put the document name, issue date and the receiving person who has received that document with his name and his employee number and the receiving signatures. In this way, whenever the documents are distributed, they need to be done in this way, in which you come to know, you came to know, and you are have information about what documents are distributed to which department on which date and who has received that. In this way, the record of those documents in a proper way is circulated and information for that is maintained as per the laws of the document control. So in this way the documents are distributed and maintained, and the people with the HSC department, other QHSC department maintains a log of all the documents which are properly circulated. If you need more information, if you need details, if you need summary, reports, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my another number at +92 314 639 7990, and you can reach me on my 3 emails addresses at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Second email is amirsultanrana digit 1 @gmail.com, and third email is contact@qhscbusinessinternational.com. And even you can reach me on my company website at www.qhscbusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.